All right. I'm going to go ahead and do one more. I went ahead and made a quick October preview, sort of based on what I was doing at the end, but a little bit different. I was able to compress it down even further. Um, so this month, September, is going to be more. It's going to have a lot more religion in it. So a lot of the be doing a lot of awakes, a lot of Watchtower, a lot of JW books, and just reading those. But in October, I'm going to do education focus. I want to see how hard I can push my brain. So, October 1st, hold on, Sunday. Yeah. So I'll be switching up my Sunday. My Sunday will actually be a different day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So my Friday will become my Sunday. And I'll do a lot more religious reading. But basically, I'm breaking it down week what I'm calling the weekdays. the what I would have originally as Tuesday through Saturday would be Sunday through what, Thursday? Yeah. Um, it's going to be 1 hour of religion every day, and that's going to be what's alternating. Um, 6 hours of education per day, 10 hours of work, 6 hours of sleep. So I added an extra hour of sleep, and then getting up, just using the reading to be the beginning kind of thing. Um, so the way it'll be October 1st, sleep till 5 in the morning. And then 6 o'clock, Watchtower and a workout. Don't know how I'm going to work out yet. I'm going to go ahead and actually look at what the Watchtower kind of looks like. Let's see, library. Let's see, Watchtower. Yeah, I'll make that work. So it goes all the way down to 1950. Wow, that's crazy. That's super crazy. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'll start out with the 1950s and I'll work my way up. That sounds kind of cool. Okay. Yeah, 6 o'clock, Watchtower workout. And then the traditional 7 to 11, 15 to 19. That'll be Instacart and transcription time. And then lunch will be right in between 12 to 2. Uh, that'll also include my midday dialysis and a nap. And then um, so 8 o'clock until 1, so 6 hours. Or I guess end of 1 is 2. So that'll be open stacks and workouts. And then on the second, sleep. The way it's going to rotate, it's going to go Watchtower, Awake, JW Books, and it's going to rotate like that each day. So I'm getting a different one each day. So I'll sleep till 5 or sleep till 6, and then I'll read Awake and do a workout, and then the normal cart and transcription, lunch dialysis nap schedule, and then the evening is dictionary and workouts. The third, JW books at 6, cart transcription, lunch dialysis nap schedule, and open stacks. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and say this. Assume Instacart and lunch dialysis nap schedule is always at the same time. I don't even have to think about it. So really, it's just going to be the religion and education that's changing. So that means about half my time is not changing and half my time is. Interesting. Okay, so the fourth, Watchtower, philosophy. Fifth, Awake, OpenStax. And then the sixth, which is going to be the equivalent of a Sunday, JW Books will be for two-hour segment, or 6 o'clock, and then a 2-hour segment from 8 and 9. Watchtower, 10 and 11. Awake, 12 and 1. And then the seventh, Watchtower and a workout. And then philosophy. And then an extra hour of sleep at the end. So I get to go into my Monday, the 8th, sleeping till 5. And then it's awake at 6. And then open stacks at night. On the 9th, it's JW Books and Dictionary. On the 10th, it's Watchtower and open stacks. On the 11th, it's Awake and Philosophy. On the 12th, it's JW Books and OpenStax. On the 13th, it's Watchtower, and then Watchtower, Awake, JW Books. On the 14th, Awake, Philosophy, extra hour of sleep. Extra 2 hours of sleep. It's an extra 2 hours of sleep. It's a 2-hour segment. Okay, goes into the next week, sleeps in till 5, 6 o'clock, JW Books, and then OpenStax at night. 16th, Watchtower and Dictionary. The 17th, Awake and OpenStax. The 18th, JW Books and Philosophy. The 19th, Watchtower and OpenStax. The 20th, Awake, JW Books and Watchtower. And the 21st, JW Books, Philosophy, sleep an extra hour. Extra segment. Goes into the week of the 22nd, Watchtower and OpenStax at night. Awake and Dictionary. JW Books and OpenStax. Watchtower and Philosophy. Awake and OpenStax. JW Books, Watchtower and Awake. And then on the 28th, Watchtower, Philosophy, and an extra 2 hours of sleep. And then there's a 29th, sleep until 5, awake at 6, and then OpenStax at night. On the 30th, JW Books and a Dictionary. And then on the 31st, Watchtower and OpenStax. Now, I could do November, but I'd really like to just get started. I'd like to just get kind of a weekend before I really commit to the long-term version of this. So, plus, I think I might try to get a job over at UPS again, maybe, just because it pays really well. So, I might do that. We'll see. For the holidays. I think last year when I did it, it was like $30 an hour. So, and then by that point, I should probably be, I'd like to think that that would be halfway done with all of the intro textbooks. And then once the intro textbooks are completed, then I could start branching off into some of the branch things. But I would also be doing a reread in depth and probably uh, maybe a transcription comparison to see if I made any errors and then make the corrections as I need to. Because I'd like to have in Excel, I would like to have every book that I read typed into that, and then also into Word. So I'd like to transcribe twice. Um, yeah. Okay. Man, I should. That's gonna get so much. I'm gonna get so much done if I do this. Like, I just got to stick to it. So tomorrow will be day one. So the goal is going to be to basically read almost all of Genesis. I'll have Genesis read by Wednesday morning. I'll have Exodus completed. Yeah, Thursday morning. Leviticus will be done. Numbers should be done by Friday morning. Yeah, and then I'll be caught up. I got to do this though. Yeah, the goal, because the thing is, I really want to set a really strong baseline. And because some of these Bible chapters are smaller than others, some of them I can read quick and then use the rest of that time for a break. Or I can save up the break time. That's even better. And then once I have, several hours of breaks satisfied, then I can start taking breaks. But that would actually be really cool to get ahead. So this first week, just like really push myself. Yeah, this will be interesting. This is going to be really interesting for sure. Okay, let's go. Let's go ahead and call that for now.